Struggling to record your screen for work, gaming, or YouTube content purpose? What if I told you there are amazing tools that is completely free and also packaged with powerful features, right? All you just need to do is to stick around by watching this video till the end and you will discover the top free screen recording tools for every need. Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm Trust, and on this video I'm going to be showing you the top free recording tools, and I am actually taking time to pick all of these, so you do not actually need to worry about anything about the overwhelming effort for you to pick a screen recording tool for your need. So I have actually handpicked each of them, so just sit tight and watch to the end. Now, the first one is OBS Studio. OBS Studio is actually an open source powerhouse which actually lets you to record in HD. OBS Studio actually allows you to also live stream directly to platforms like Twitch, YouTube, and Facebook. There are other options anyway, but these are the selected few. Now, if you are ready to start recording with OBS Studio, be mindful that it also has a customizable layout, which also allows you to customize the layout and fields that you want. So whether you are a beginner or you're a professional, these tools and the rich features is going to help you to start recording with ease. Then number 2 on my list is ShareX. Now, ShareX is a lightweight tool ideal for quick recording and also for screenshot. This is also a free and open source tool which also offers tons of customization, and also it has a plus version which you can also pay for premium and then you use. This also allows you to live stream directly to other platforms, and also it helps you to live stream directly to Google Drive so that you can back it up and then download it whenever you want, so you won't lose your recording. And now the third one on my list is Loom. Now, Loom is actually something that is a beginner friendly kind of tool. Now, Loom also works basically on the web browser, so you do not need to download it on your device. You have it on your web browser. It saves up after you recorded and you need to download it to your device. Loom also works for Chrome device and other device that does not allow you to download software into your PC apart from making the use of it online. The next one is ScreenCastify. Now, ScreenCastify is basically created for Chrome users because this only works as a Chrome add-on or a Chrome plugin. So if you're a Chrome user and you want to start recording your screen, all you need to do is to download ScreenCastify and you are good to go. This also has a webcam, and all you just need to do is to click on it a few times and you will start recording right away. Now, the next one is Xbox Game. Now, this is only for Windows. If you are not making use of Windows, it's not going to work. And if you are making use of Windows, I think you just need to update your Windows and this is going to be active. So if you are making use of Windows, this is probably already installed if you've updated your Windows. All you just need to do is to press Windows G key on your keyboard and this is going to be activated and you are good to go. Now, the next one is a Powersoft. This is actually a free online screen recording tools. If you just need to record a quick screen recording of your device, this is just a web-based tool, just like Loom also. A Powersoft free screen recording tool lets you to record directly from your browser with no installation required. It also offers editing option, and you can download your video whenever you want it, and it's actually very easy to use and also friendly for beginners. Now, there is Flashback Express. For those who are actually making use of Windows, Flashback Express is another excellent option and is free to use. It also has great recording for games, tutorials, and other use for screen recording. And it also has a plus version, which also include a watermark for free users. This doesn't actually limit your recording rate in any way, so it allows you to record easily. Now, the next one is Tinytake. Tinytake actually helps you to screen record, and also Tinytake is also perfectly for short recording annotation, and it also makes a great way to record easily. And there is actually two I did not mention in this video. There is ScreenPal that also helps you to record. I actually have ScreenPal right now on my device. ScreenPal is also easy. It works on Windows also. And then finally there is Quickplay, right? with if you are making use of Apple laptop, you have Quickplay. Is it Quickplay, right? So Quickplay actually allows you to record for free also. So while making use of Quickplay, you can easily record things and you don't have any issue recording anything with your QuickTime player. So guys, this is actually all I need to mention on this video, and if you have any issue or any question regarding any of these screen recording tools, just let me know. Whether you are actually interested in customization, easy to use, or quick sharing, these are actually there to help you. So which of these tools are actually which of these tools are you excited to try? Or maybe you are already using one of these and probably have issues using them. Drop a comment in the section below, in the comment section below, and also don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to get notification whenever I upload a new video. And guys, I will see you on the next one. Stay safe and peace.